How did it go today?
I thought it went fantastic. I mean, there's a lot of energy here favoring the defense, favoring truth more than anything. I was disgusted by the people showing up with support for JJ. I wanted to puke when I saw that because their presence in this courtroom supporting this corrupt prosecutor, Adam Lally, who knows that Karen Reed did not kill him. He knows that. He's just too embarrassed and he's pushing forward anyway. Every single minute wasted going after Karen Reed is time that could be spent going after the actual people who killed. If anyone actually gave a shit about John O'Keefe,
that's right.
That's what they would be doing. They would not be participating in the farce that you saw on the right-hand side of that courtroom today, wearing their thin blue line shirts and their Boston police shirts. They have the nerve to wear that a Boston police officer was murdered. And by the way, where are the Boston police? When Michael Chestnut was murdered, every single court hearing was packed with men in uniform from the Weymouth Police Department who had his back. 30 years ago, Chief Robert Mortel was killed in my town of Holden, the chief of Paxton. Every 5 years, his killers are up for parole. And every 5 years, state police, Holden police, and Paxton police show up in uniform to make their presence known to the parole board that they do not want his killers to go loose. Where are the Boston police? One of their own was murdered, thrown out like trash, and they're nowhere to be found. It's just, I don't know. I had 3 state troopers next to me. I don't know what side they're on, and that scares me. That scares me. Oh, is she hiding?
She is.
Oh, okay. Well, I got all day. Come out. There's only one way out, sweetheart. So I know you're watching, dear. Come on out whenever you want. We can have a conversation. So we'll see what happens. But your hope. It's hard to read a judge. It's hard to tell what the judge is thinking because
God knows.
They can't opine from the bench. They're going to take it all in. But I have faith, like I said, that the judge is an intelligent person, went to law school, can read and write, and has common sense. All you need is common sense to look at those wounds and know, a dog did that. A cocktail glass, my God, how stupid do they think people are? Apparently the right side of the courtroom, they think very little of them because they were fooled by that. They were impressed by that. And like I said, it's just so sad and disgusting, and there was some motion in there to hide the names of the children, like any of them give a shit about children. 2 children are left orphaned because John O'Keefe was murdered.
That's right.
And that freaking dog and every other single person in that house who remains quiet to this day and participated in the lie, including who lied and said that he never came in the house. It's a lie. They're all guilty of murder as far as I'm concerned. They're participating in it, and I just want them to know, because I'm sure they're watching, justice is coming for you too. When this eventually gets turned around, and when the charges are dropped against Karen Reed, and your people are arrested, charged, and put on trial, what side of history are you going to be on? What side of history are you going to be on? The wrong side. And then what are you going to do then? You're going to be screaming, and you're going to be snitching so fast, and you're going to take their deals, aren't you? You're going to take their deal. Of course you are. You're going to snitch so fast because you're an opportunist. You're an opportunist. And the second you see something that benefits you, you're going to take it. What's happening? So, yeah. We'll see.
Turtleboy is handsome man.
We're never going to stop. And man, she has good lawyers.
They were great.
They were fantastic.
Why do you think nobody slipped you?
I think someone has, to be perfectly honest.